Guys, today we are going to learn how to share the desktop icons of the domain PC for the every users. First of all, make sure that your machines or your PC should be connected to the domain. Okay, it's very simple, you don't need to worry. Our main point is that we need to go in the C drive of our PC. You can go from the desktop icons my PC, or you can search from the search bar, type PC, and you will see their PC. While you click here, you will find their C drive options. Click and go to user, go to public. Here you should need to find the public desktop options. If you didn't find, it means it's hidden. Go to the view and press the hidden items. So you will find the desktop icons, the public desktop, and here in public desktop, in public desktop, you can copy and paste which desktop icon you like to share for the every users of domain PC, and he will see while he will log in through his ID. This is how we can share our desktop icons of the domain PC. Whoever is new in my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon for the more updates. See you guys in next video. Till then, goodbye.